YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another really exciting video. In today's video I am actually going to be doing another Christmas look. I've been really inspired by all of these snowflake looks, so I kind of want to do a snowflake look today, but I'm not actually feeling blue. I've had such a stressful time with work and some other things, had a lot going on, so literally just said to myself, like, Megan, what do you want to film? And I'm feeling a Christmas look, and I'm feeling like using my absolute favourite palette of 2020, which is my 35XO palette. I absolutely love this palette so much, so I wanted to do a Christmas snowflake look with this palette. I don't know, hoping everything's just gonna like come together and still look pretty festive. But yeah, I'm excited. That's just what I was in the mood to film in, so that's exactly what I'm gonna film. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I love it if you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So just put some tape on. I really need to get some cosmetic tape at some point. I'll do that at some point. And then I prime my eyes with the Peel Erase base in Room 01. Now I'm going to take the shade, now I'm going to take the shade Show Me Some Skin, and I'm going to run that through my crease. I'm going to attempt a full cut crease, which is something that I don't normally do, but I'm going to try it. It's Christmas, so I want to try it. I want to try a full cut crease, and I want to put a snowflake on my face, so we're just going to see how it goes. So I'm just going to blend that shade out with this touchy-feely shade right there. I'm not really sure how well this is going so far, but we'll see. So I'm going to take this shade right here called Come Here Often, and I'm just going to help blend that top bit out. So I am just going to hop off camera. I'm going to really intensify these shades, catch up with this eye, and then I'll be right back. Just built up those shades and intensified them, and I've just cut my crease and I've used the Peel Erase base in Room 01 again, and yeah, I'm not sure, they're a bit uneven, but I always do them uneven, but I don't think it's too bad for like a first attempt. Maybe I need to do something with this. Well, I really struggle with this massive like hood here, but never mind. I'm going to put like a shimmer all over my lid, and then I want like a silver glitter to line that crease. That's my plan so far. So I'm gonna take the shade Your Move, which is this one right here. It's like a really light pink, and I'm gonna put that all over where I've cut the crease. Probably creasing a little bit, well, that's normal for me. Okay, so now that that shade is packed on, really beautiful. I actually kind of like where this looks going. I've never attempted anything like this before, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm trying new things, just going with it. I'm learning. I'm not going to get it right first time, I know that. So I do want to line this cut crease. Oh, don't know why I'm making things so difficult for myself, but I just want to give it a go. And I'm going to use the Beauty Bay liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Moonstone. It's just like a silver one. I'm going to use this. And the brush I'm using is from Shein. I've never used this brush before ever, so we'll see how that goes as well. We're trying new things, just having fun. I've had a rubbish week, so I just want to have some fun. So I've just put some on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go for it. We're just gonna go for it. I literally don't think I breathed throughout the whole of that, but I'm actually kind of happy with it. I don't know, do you think I need eyeliner? I never put eyeliner on, but I don't know. I'm really impressed with myself, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so just put a really thin layer of the Dose of Colours liner in the shade Shady, just to help blend my eyelashes when I put them on. So I'm just going to hop off camera. I'm going to put this silver line on this side, and I'm just going to do my base, and then I'll be right back to finish up my eyes. So I put my base on, and this is what we're looking like. I kind of really like it, and I'm really proud of myself. It's something different. I've not really done anything like this before on my channel, or just in general, to be honest. So yeah, I'm kind of really happy with it. I'm not so happy with like this shape of this eye. Like, this isn't quite right, and I'm aware of that. This one's probably not too right either, but I'm still happy with them. So now I'm just going to move on to my lower lash line, and I want to take the shade Show Me Some Skin again, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Everything is everywhere. I have no space to put anything anymore after doing my base. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that shade Touchy Feely, this one right there, and just blend it out just like a tiny bit, not much, just a tiny bit. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Pearl. This is the highlighter that I've actually got on today. I wanted like a icy white kind of highlighter to match this silver. And then a bit on my brow bone too. So now I'm just gonna hop off camera. I'm gonna put some eyelashes on, and I'm gonna put some lipstick on, and then I'll be right back. And then I want to draw a snowflake like up here or something crazy like that, but let's just do it. I think I'm gonna use these Ardell Elegant Eyes eyelashes. They look like this. They've just got like little gems on. We'll see if they actually stay on. I actually picked these up from TK Maxx for 90p, which I think is such a bargain. So I've just applied my eyelashes and my lipstick. My lipstick is the Stila Liquid Lipstick in the shade Perla, which is my favourite. So I have my favourite palette and my favourite lipstick, and now I'm going to attempt a snowflake on my eyebrow, like kind of like here, and I'm probably going to time lapse it because yeah, I'm going to take my time and I probably won't be talking or breathing. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. So this is my finished look. What do you think? It's so different for me. The full cut crease is very different, so you'll have to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm actually really happy with it, so yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this video, and I'd really love it if you hit that subscribe button because I'm so close to my 2020 goal, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!